Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. What are the best practices for robotic process automation? 1. Establish a persona for the developer. A persona is a fictitious character that can adequately represent a company's needs and visions to the RPA developer. Since the function of RPA tools is personalizable, organizations need to avoid solely depending on the knowledge and skills of a professional developer. Any developer can program and create scripts to automate a task, but RPA is not one size fits all, so avoid relying exclusively on a developer. 2. Establish all areas of governance. Organizations that have successfully implemented RPA services into their infrastructure established a governing body to ensure optimal return on investment. Establishing a governing body opens more possibilities for full-scale RPA implementation within an organization by tackling the issue of RPA forcing business and IT responsibilities to merge. 3. Enterprise Automation Roadmap. If an organization wants to modernize its systems but hasn't installed an API, in this case, Gartner suggests evaluating the long-term costs of RPA compared to adding API. An enterprise automation roadmap can help organizations set realistic expectations about RPA capabilities to make strategic decisions to ensure optimal outcomes. The importance of this pre-discussion period is absolute, since businesses with older systems may find that their tech build isn't mature enough to make RPA attainable. It will also debunk common misconceptions regarding RPA as a cure-all or a resource that people with little to no tech knowledge can use to automate everything they want. Overall, the criterion for automating tasks with RPA are those that have a high number of transactions, have access to transfer information to multiple systems, are stable and unchanging, are straightforward, i.e., do not require judgment, creativity, and the like, are rule-based and structured, often suffer human error, will deliver optimal ROI, are repetitive, have been done for a long time, don't require human intervention, are structured and deal with digital data. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.